Enable LoopTools in Preferences. Add a plane and set it to Shade Smooth. Subdivide the plane twice in Edit mode. Select the 4 middle faces, right-click and use LoopTools Circle. Inset the faces, then delete them. Duplicate and move selected faces to create an uneven look. Add an array modifier. Duplicate it, set the offset to Y instead of X and increase the count. Add an empty and set X rotation to -90. Give the plane a simple deform modifier, set to a 360-degree angle bend with the empty as the origin. Add a weld modifier and a solidify modifier with some thickness. Finally, add a subdiv modifier. You can change the array count to adjust the shape as needed.